In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to Xero. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your financial operations or an accountant aiming to manage your clients' accounts more effectively, Xero offers an efficient way to collaborate online. Let's walk through the steps together and make this process as easy and smooth as possible. First, you'll need to open a web browser and type in the Xero URL, or simply navigate to your Xero login page. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. Here, you have a great overview of all your financial activities, but now we need to focus on inviting your accountant. The next step is to locate your account drop-down menu. This is usually found in the upper corner of your dashboard. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up. Look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Xero account. Once you're in the settings section, find and click on Users. This page is essential for managing who has access to your account, what they can do, and most importantly, how they can assist you in handling your business's fiscal needs. Now, you'll notice an option to invite users, usually located towards the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Invite a User. Here, you will be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Make sure to double check the email address for accuracy, as this is how your accountant will receive their invitation. It's important to select Advisor from the role options, as this grants your accountant the necessary permissions to access your financial data and offer advice. Next, you'll have an option to include a personal message. This is a great opportunity to explain why you're inviting them and what specific areas you'd like their assistance with. Taking this extra step can ensure a clearer mutual understanding and set the tone for effective collaboration. After filling out these fields, click the Send button to deliver the invitation. Once sent, your accountant will receive an email inviting them to access your Xero account. After following the prompts in the email, they'll be all set to assist you with your financial management tasks. By following these steps, you've successfully added an accountant to your account, opening the door to expert assistance, which can help you make informed financial decisions. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your accounting journey on Xero.